Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every week. This episode is going to be the start of my Christmas episode series. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a very festive dessert just for the holiday season. Very easy to make, the cathedral windows. The cathedral windows is a multicolored fruit gelatin that resembles that of the windows of the cathedral. Thus the name, cathedral windows. The ingredients are, we have 4 packs of different flavors of gelatin. I'm using Jello. You can use other kinds of gulaman or gelatin. Just follow the instructions at the back. Okay. The orange, the purple, the strawberry, and the lemon. The lemon is Starburst. And then we have 4 cups of boiling hot water and 2 cups of cold water, 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 pack of all-purpose cream, 1 cup of water, 3 packs of unflavored gelatin. I'm using Nax. So this is 3 tablespoons. Okay, we're using the band pan. Okay, we're going to mix. Okay, we're going to start. We're going to add 1 cup of hot water in each mixture, in each gelatin. The same procedure for the 4 gelatin. Add 1 cup of hot water. Then we're going to mix this until fully dissolved. Then we're going to add 1/2 cup of cold water. So easy to make. Just like that. And then we're going to transfer this into the rectangular Pyrex or glass containers. And let it harden. Okay, we're going to transfer now. Going to let this cool and then put in the ref for at least 2 to 3 hours to set. 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin mixed with 1 cup of water and 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. Set aside for 5 minutes. And then we're going to heat. We're going to heat this mixture while continuously stirring until the gelatin is dissolved over medium heat. Then we're going to add the evap, condensed milk, then the cream, turn off the heat just before boiling. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla. Turn off the heat. Then remove the bubbles. We're going to let this cool until it is slightly firm but it is still liquid. We're going to cut this into cubes. This is already firm. See? 1-inch cube. We're going to refrigerate this again until our cream is ready. So you refrigerate until it's time to use it. So it's always cold. We're going to arrange the cube gelatin, dividing it equally. I'm going to pour, carefully pouring the milk mixture. And then add again. Then we're going to let this cool in the rep. Let this set overnight. Okay. Going to put this inside the rep. To unmold, we just press it lightly on the sides. can do it like that. So it will be released. There. And don't forget the center. Then we're going to invert. Wow. There. We're going to slice it. There you have it, my cathedral windows. Look how pretty. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next Christmas episode. Enjoy!